Alright guys, we are live. We are live, I think. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm hoping for a little bit lower actually for my entry. I just hope we're not gonna go higher from here. Because we hit the 1 hour level to the dollar. Well, let me quickly switch to TradingView, guys. So you can see here, we hit this 1 hour level and the same session point of control. This is the same, this is exactly the same level we traded yesterday, by the way. It's exactly the same level. So this is also why I didn't want to long this, but we have seen a reaction from the exact same level as yesterday. Which is kind of crazy. Norvin, how are you doing? I haven't taken a trade, guys. I was thinking of longing here. I was thinking of taking a long, but it's kind of against the rule. Trading the same level twice, so I want to just wait. But we had a perfect reaction. This was our long yesterday, guys, and we pumped to the anchored VWAP, saw retracement, so absolutely beautiful price action. O4G is also back. I need to take a quick break in like 10 minutes, guys, just so you know, but I won't be gone for a long time. How are you guys doing? I saw Budka is also in the chat and David is also in the chat. I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for a long here. I would love to see this level here. And yeah, but this is the level, guys. This is the level we longed yesterday. It was the low of yesterday as well. But obviously I had to close the trade around here. Else it would have been an absolute banger trade. I can show you quickly, guys. This was our entry from yesterday. We even took this live. But we weren't able to hold it that long because of the market close, which is really annoying actually. Stop loss was, where was the stop loss? Let me see quickly. Stop loss was at $200, so it was here. It was so far away from this. I mean, it was a sniper entry again actually. So this is the trade from yesterday, guys. So it went up to, it actually would have gone up to 2.6 RR. It actually would have gone up to 2.6 RR, but we had to close it at 10 PM. So we were forced out of this trade around here, which is really unlucky. So we only made, yeah, we went close to 1 RR on this trade. A little bit less than 1 RR even though it went up like crazy. Yeah, it's unlucky, and we retested this anchored VWAP from the last stream as well, guys. I had this on the stream yesterday, and guess what? This was the high. This was the exact high. So anyone could have probably shorted this as well, but I didn't want to short here based on the VWAP alone. How's your day? I didn't trade at all, my friend. I didn't trade at all. This week has been really boring, honestly. I mean, we got forced out of this trade because of market close yesterday. We would have had a really nice trade, and I would have closed this at 2 RR. And now we hit the same level as from yesterday, guys. Exact same level, the same order flow level, but I'm expecting lower. I want to go here. I'm gonna go into a long here. I had a short, really nice. So I'm gonna go back to extra charts, guys. Let us go back to extra charts. But I wanted to show you this quickly on TradingView. It's crazy, these levels. Banger there at the VWAP yet. So you actually shorted the VWAP. Really nice. I didn't short it myself, but congrats, man. Nice to see that some of you guys actually took those trades. Mr. Ben also didn't trade yet. Yeah, what a boring week, guys. Like, this week has been so boring. I mean, we were really unlucky with yesterday's trade now that we got forced out of it as well. Else we would have had a kind of good week already. So I was forced out for 1.4k profit yesterday out of this trade. And would have gone to like 4.3 or 4k. If he could have held it longer, obviously. But now let's wait, guys. We think we can find one more good trade today. But I don't want to trade the same level. So this is the level here. You can see here, guys. This is the level we longed yesterday. It was the absolute low. It was a really clean trade to wait for this. We actually hit it and went up, but I was forced to go out of it. Because of the market close, so that is unlucky. But now we are back at the same level again. So we are at this low here again. I want to see this. I would love to see this get taken out though. So 6834. Gonna wait and chill for this level most likely. And we have New York Open coming up in 15 minutes, so... But what an unlucky week for me, actually. This week was, well, not unlucky, we're green overall, but still, it was kinda, yeah. It just didn't go to the levels at the right time. I wish we would have hit that level yesterday much earlier, so we could have actually stayed inside of the trade for much longer. I mean, it almost got hit early, but then, yeah. Then the time point of control got hit and not the session point of control, and we saw a reaction from the time point of control. And right before the market close, we filled the entry. Well, not right before, but like 3 hours before market close, or 4, I think. We are dumping though. That's good, guys. I need a dump. And guess what? Reaction of the previous day value are low. So the bullish case would be, guys, bullish case for today would be this. I'm gonna show it quickly. If we reclaim this, wait, why can I not see this? I guess I need to change the color quickly. So this is the bullish case. We reclaim this previous day value low. Go to the anchored VWAP and reclaim that as well. That would be the bullish case, but right now we're below the previous day value low, so we tried to reclaim this, but we didn't manage to reclaim it yet. So I hope for a new low, so we can actually get into a long. This is what I'm hoping for. Where are you guys looking for longs? This week is hard, it's just a few times. Just a few time one-way move, yeah. It was a really annoying week to trade, but I'm happy that we closed it in green so far, but it depends on today, guys. I mean, we can lose one trade today and I will still be in green. We can actually lose one trade and still be fine. We are dumping though, nice guys, we are dumping. I'm actually thinking this is one thing we have to keep in mind, guys. So this is one thing about this whole session here. About the TPO chart here, you can see it's really wide. So these are really small TPO charts. This was a really this was a trending session, by the way. So you can see here it went from 6790 up to 6884, and this is where the level is. It's in the middle of the range. So this time point of view is in the middle of this range. It's usually always a bit risky to trade a level like this in the middle of the range, because we could go to the low of the range and this would be at 6812. And because this has been such a big session here, and we had such a strong price movement, it's like really far away, the value low. So we have to be aware of this. So we could actually go lower here as well to the low of this range, maybe, we'll see. But I'm gonna long here. I'm definitely gonna take a long here. I have the placed already, so. And if we lose this trade, it's fine. Like, we are still in green overall, and we can take one more long from the lows. I mean, we should see reaction from this level. You saw the reaction of a similar level like this here yesterday as well. We had an absolute sniper reaction from the previous day level here. So this was the level here. Now you cannot see it because you obviously went lower after to this session point of control, but we had an insane reaction of this at the first touch. So I'm hoping for the same here, that we go down here, go up a bit, and then I'm most likely gonna close it anyways, the trade for 2RR. So this is gonna be a day trade. But we're gonna wait for this level. Unless we see some really bullish CVD. Then I might get into long if we see some more bullish CVD prints. But as I said, we are at the same level as yesterday right now. I missed a big trade on gold this week, should have made $500, but let it be. Yeah, it is. I'm not getting upset. I'm just trying to tell you guys that this week has not been like, there hasn't been a lot of action in this week for me. because it just did not reach the levels like a lot. But we have to look at it positive. I mean, we are green overall. We had only wins, also we had only winning days overall, so we closed every day in green, which is really nice. So there's no need to even get upset, you know what I mean? I mean, even if let's say we wouldn't even find a trade today, it would be fine. So we have some news also today. Today's gonna be probably quite volatile. We have 10 viewers already in the chat, guys. Crazy. 10 viewers. I don't even have to post my streams anymore, Nix. So most news are over. We have one more at 3:45 p.m. USD PMI news, but yeah, let's see. Let's see what New York Open has for us. Yeah, let's see, exactly. I hope we're gonna dump to move one of my entry. Still looking bearish though, below the previous day value low. So if we reclaim this, we can actually go up to 6884 to the previous day value high most likely. But as long as you stay below this level, I expect lower prices. And we had an absolute beautiful retest of this level as well. 8 people in the live room now, crazy. I mean, I just started the stream. It's really good. Channel is growing, and once I get it monetized, guys, we'll probably get, the algorithm is probably gonna push me a lot more. I'm working on this. Hopefully gonna get it done, get into the partner program. A lot of cells here. 44 market cells right here, crazy. Let's all give it a like, guys. All give it everyone like the stream. That always helps. But I was really, guys, yesterday my stream had 35-minute average watch time, which is really crazy. I mean, if you think about, like, on TikTok, people watch a video for like really short, for 1 minute, and I had 35 minutes of average watch time, which is really crazy. Want to see more cells here, but we're probably gonna pump up a bit again on New York Open, unless it's gonna be a really bearish one. 9 more minutes, guys. 9 more minutes on the table. Guys, which levels are you looking to long? Is anyone also looking for a long from lower? Let me know which level you guys are actually looking for. It's also 15-minute support level. And the value low we have as well on my entry, so this is a good entry, and we have a fib as well, so this is literally the last big support we have for the bulls. To be honest, I'll hope cigarette break time. Yeah, probably actually I need to take, we have 9 more minutes, I might do this actually quickly for 4 or 5 minutes. I just hope we're not gonna flash dump right into my entry. To be honest, I'll hope for a small pump and short at the daily VWAP. I'm really cautious with shorts, as I said. I'm really cautious still with shorts. I want to see quite a bit higher for shorts for my strategy. But you guys, obviously, shorts have paid off as well if you had a really good entry. Like I'm going to show it to you again quickly. So this is where we could have... I even had this exact level on my stream yesterday, by the way. We had this exact level here for a long time on my stream, and this one as well. So... These were really nice short entries here. 69221 and 6905. This was the exact high again. Look at this. This level was the absolute high that we had on stream yesterday. So anyone could have just by themselves traded these levels. Guys, just because I don't trade them doesn't mean that you shouldn't trade them. The reason why I don't trade them because I'm already on a lot of funded accounts. And I only want to take really, really good setups. If I would be on a new account that's not passed, I would take these trades for sure. I would definitely take them. Just to get it passed. But once you're passed, you have to be a little bit more cautious. And I'm still gathering a lot of data for my new strategy. This is also why I'm trading it with only with 2 contracts all the time. So yeah, let's go back, but this was an absolute respected level. Crazy. And I think someone in the chat actually showed it this. I forgot who it was, but someone in the chat actually showed it this level from the stream yesterday. Right now I also only trade my past accounts. Oh, really cool. I'm just really cautious this week. I don't know what it is. I think the main thing, honestly, the main reason I showed it in my last stream, it is because we're still in the middle of this range. I just hate trading in the middle of a range. I like to trade the highs and the lows of the range and not the middle. Nice, guys, we are dumping a bit again. Let's see. So where's our entry? 683775. It's a little bit above the order flow level, because we all have a 15-minute level there as well. And stop loss is below the 0.8. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you again quickly, guys. This is important. This is also why I want to wait for this trade. We're gonna explain this. So yes, we could have longed here, obviously, but as you can see, we're in the middle of the range. I'm actually gonna quickly pull the range from here so you can see it better. So here we were in the middle of the range. Even now we're getting a bit lower to the lows of the range. But I want to wait for here, guys. I want to wait for this level. This is an order flow level, we have a 50-minute level, and we're at this 6 fib. And the stop loss, if I take this trade, I can actually place the stop loss below the 0.8 fib. And we should not lose this level for the uptrend to continue. If we lose this level, we're probably going to go much lower. So this is why I like this setup, because if I choose to wait for this level, I can actually put the stop loss below the 0.8 fib. So this is why I'm being really patient here. Even though we can see a reaction from here. I mean, we hit this 1 hour level here to the dollar. We're still well below it now. Let's see. I think we need some patience today. Like yesterday. But I really want to wait for this level. Earth showed it. Okay, Earth, it was you that showed it at level. That's crazy. Alright, 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go. Well, this bullish CVD print has not been good, guys. So far, at least. Wow. That was a beautiful bearish CVD print here. Basically at the exact high. Wow. Crazy. Kinda love this template, honestly. It's so insane. So yesterday we also, this is really nice to see yesterday as well, by the way, on the long, we also had a bullish CVD print on the level that we wanted to trade. We actually had 4 or 5 bullish CVD prints, and after that we pumped. The trade yesterday was really clean, actually. We were forced to close it. It would have been a really, really clean trade. So we were forced to close it at 1 hour. There are a lot of new buyers stepping in here. But as I said, we should not reclaim this, and then if we don't reclaim this, we're probably gonna go lower. And if we reclaim it, then it's gonna look more bullish. 3 minutes in the chat, 3 minutes. Gotta be patient. I'm happy with one more trade today. Actually happy with one more. If we have a really nice trade today, we can still have closed the week really nicely. And if we lose the trade, guys, I'm still gonna be in green. So yeah, unless I lose 2 trades today, then I'll be slightly in red for this week. So we can hit 1 stop loss and still be in profit, which is nice. Give us a bit lower, come on. Still waiting for this level here, by the way, to get to be hit as well, 6,917. And we have a new one here at 6,896, a new session point of control and time point of control. For any scalp traders in the chat, this might be a level to trade. Wait, what level was it again? 6,896. It's actually a nice short, maybe. It's also at the 70% and at the highs of the session here. And below the previous month open, so might be a good short. But right now we're dumping still. 1 minute, guys, 1 minute. Is anyone ready? Now we're gonna see a lot of bubbles here. We're gonna see a lot of bubbles coming up soon. Gonna zoom in a bit so you guys can also see it properly. And we're pumping a bit here. Still not New York open though. It's like 20 seconds left. CVD is going up though. Still positive delta on this candle so far at least. Alright guys, get ready. New York open. A lot of new buyers here. Can we reclaim this though? This is the question. Can we reclaim the previous day very low? So far no. A lot of sells also come in. Wow. And this looks so cool. The bubbles. Come on guys, give us more sells here. Wow, it's such a strange action always at New York Open. Massive amount of new sells and buys. Just ranging in between this candle. Might make a new low though. Might actually see a new low. Oh no, guys, the buyers are stepping in again. Typical New York Open. This is also why, guys, but look at the CVD line. It's going up massively. There are a lot of more buyers, but we are still not going really higher on the price. Let's see. Let's see if the buyers can keep up and actually reclaim this previous day very low or not. It's a fight at this point. Still positive delta overall in the last two 5-minute candles. So we had more buyers than sellers in the last two candles. Can they keep up? That's the question. So far it looks like it. Wow, a lot of buyers still stepping in all the time. It's crazy. Not stopping. We read this as the previous week lows again. Interesting, really. But the CVD is shooting up. I mean, we have a lot of new buyers. They need to reclaim this though, these buyers. Still far below the daily VWAP as well, if you zoom out a bit. Previous day point of control at 6,877 and the daily VWAP also at this level. A lot of new buyers stepping in though, guys. And they don't seem to stop. The question is, will they get trapped, guys, or will they make it and actually reclaim the daily VWAP? That's the real question right here. They did manage to almost reclaim this now. It depends how this candle is going to close, though. 2 more minutes for this candle to close. Wow, CVD is shooting up, though. Are they gonna make it, guys? What do you think? Are the buyers gonna be winning the fight here? Hard to say at this point, guys. I'm gonna give it more time here. We're gonna wait a bit longer. You guys know how New York Open is. We're gonna wait here. There's a ton of people that are just aping in bites here. It's crazy. "25 minutes until the Supreme Court ruling on tariffs." Yeah, this is gonna be interesting as well. This is gonna be really interesting as well. This is why I'm gonna be a bit careful now as well. I mean, we have one limit placed, but it's lower than this. I guess it's time for a cigarette break, guys. 5-minute cigarette break, it seems like. Wow, we're pumping though. Bullish CVD print here after the candle closed. As you can see here. This would have been the exact same level as yesterday, guys. It's kind of crazy. Look at this here. I'm gonna show it to you again quickly for other people that haven't watched before. So this is this exact level we traded yesterday. I mean, yes, we did go a little bit lower here, but this is what we traded yesterday, where we went into the long, and this is basically the low again now. For now, at least. I still think we can go lower, so I'm gonna be patient here. I want to see this level hit. Thought you wanted to stop. What do you mean stop what? I'll take a break. Yeah, I will, don't worry. I just wanted to show you this quickly, guys. We are at this anchored VWAP now. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna go back to extra charts. We're still below the daily VWAP though, guys. We are still below the daily VWAP. We are at it right now. Nivi is also back in the chat. Welcome back, Nivi. I just don't like to trade the same levels twice, guys. I actually never do this, according to my strategy. So this is why I didn't trade this as well. It's basically the same level as yesterday. Usually my levels are the strongest on the first touch, usually. But often, of course, they can get retested. Like this time. Wow, what a big buy here. Someone just bought 35 ES contracts, not micro contracts, guys, normal contracts. How are you doing, V? How are you doing? I mean, if we make a new low now, guys, then we're gonna dump. Because all these longs are gonna be trapped. All these new longs that opened up here are gonna get trapped if you make a new low. And we had a lot of new longs here. Well, it really depends. It really depends what's gonna happen, if we can reclaim this or not. They only get trapped if you make a new low. So, yeah. Right now we are still pushing. There's still a lot of new buyers coming in on every 5-minute candle. Again, 480 new buyers. More than sellers in the last 5 minutes. I mean 3 minutes. This candle closed in 2 minutes again. Guys, I'm gonna take a quick 5-minute break though. A quick 5-minute break. I'm still waiting for my entry. I didn't want to trade the same level as yesterday, so we're gonna wait for a fresh entry here. Wow, we're dumping a bit again. Really interesting, guys. I'm gonna leave the order flow running for you guys. I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes. All right, let me see that everything is set up. Like this is it's much better on stream, I think. All right, guys, give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. We are above the daily VWAP now. No way. We are pumping, guys. The buyers don't want to stop, I guess. They're just new buyers on every candle. 1.7k positive delta, 400 positive delta, 1.7k, 1.4k. So more buyers than sellers, guys. More buyers than sellers. It looks like they're interested in buying here. They're interested in buying here. Let's see though. We retest the previous day value high. Almost. This is a front run though. Daily open as well. Let's see. Gonna give it more time here. Took the 5-minute opening, range break 6864. Profit at 6876, made 255 and done for the day. Really nice, man. Congrats to Alan in the chat. He took a nice trade already. It's always nice to see you guys make gains as well, even though I didn't take a trade. On the restart of 5-minute Orbi. The bullish CVD was once again right though. Well, as I said guys, we were not in a trade, so don't look at these. Let's quickly go to 1 minute. I want to see 1 minute for once. Let's load 1 minute quickly. It's still loading. Still loading here. Alright, we are on 1 minute. Because I want to see the CVD print on 1 minute quickly. Wow, look at this, guys. Okay, this was a clean print. Look at this bullish CVD print here. At 6851 we got this. Also got one here, got two prints here. I usually like to look at them at 5 minute though, they're more accurate than 5 minute. But I think 1 minute time frame is actually really good for the stream as well. Be careful with the Supreme Court ruling. I don't believe they will actually make a ruling today. Either way, it should bring volatility. Yeah, I'm careful. My limit is far away, so don't worry. I'm kind of far away now. Are we gonna hold the previous day point of control? Still a lot of new buyers here, crazy. Took that trade on my 50-minute break. Now I have to go back to work, but I'll be listening. Nice, man. See you later, I guess, in the chat. But congrats on your trade. I hope to find one more trade today as well. Insane dump. You think we're gonna see an insane dump? Wow, there are sellers coming in now. We were still in the range from yesterday, by the way. Still in the same range as yesterday. And we can go to the low of the range again. Here. Break out of this range would be bullish though, if we reclaim 6884. I think then we can go quite a bit higher. Dumping again here. Perfectly retest this daily open. Can we hold the daily VWAP? This is gonna be interesting, guys. Can we hold this? I mean, I hope we go lower for our entry. I know you'll be careful because of discipline. I'm very bad, anxious rookie traders like myself. Good luck, guys. Manage risk and don't blow your accounts on a Friday. No. You're not gonna do that on stream here. But it's good for you that you are finished with you already finished today. It's always such a good feeling. Once you have the first trade in. Wow, guys, there are sellers stepping in here though. Buyers might get exhausted here, let's see. It's gonna be such a waiting game again. It's kind of crazy. I hope next week will be in some trades when I start the stream as well. It's kind of boring to stream when you're not in a trade. So I really hope next week is gonna be a bit more fun as well. We can actually hit these levels before we get on the stream. Because it's been such a waiting game this week on stream as well. Now it's getting interesting. I hope actually. It's such a boring day. This week has been insanely boring to stream. It's crazy, guys. Like 2 weeks, like I've streamed 1 month on TikTok and I've never had such a week on stream. Like it's kind of crazy. Will it hold? Yeah, will it hold? That's a good question. We'll see. Still fighting against it right now. If it doesn't hold, it's really good for us, because then we might actually go lower still. And as I said, I would like to get in a long, but I want to wait for lower. So I hope we're gonna dump here. But also, if you see a big pump, you're gonna maybe look for a short today. 6920 maybe. I think it was, right? 6980, yeah, 6920 looks really interesting for a short. I'd rather get into a long though, that's the thing. I'd rather get into a long because the structure is still bullish on high time frame. 130, someone just bought 130 contracts here. And someone just sold 117, guys. There are some whales like 170 ES contracts. I mean 117, not 70. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the chat. Do you think, are we gonna push higher and hold the VWAP, or are we gonna go lower? What is your expectation? 10 seconds for the candle to close. Is it gonna close green? I closed red, but above the VWAP. I do believe lower. Man, I hope we're gonna go lower. I hope we're not just gonna range here now for an hour or so. Or if we go higher, that would be good as well. Around 920. $6,920 we're gonna short, guys, most likely, unless the order flow tells me not to. But $6,920 looks like a really good short. Imagine ranging 1 hour. I mean, this week is the streams that we've been ranging all the time. Yesterday as well, we saw a massive push, but it was after market close. I mean, the trade from yesterday was absolutely good. It hit 3.2 RR in the end, but we just couldn't hold it. So that's kind of annoying. The trade was absolutely good. Was forced to close it at 0.9 RR. We're fighting against this VWAP. It's crazy. Fighting around it, basically. If we make a new low, it would go quick. With all those buys. Yeah, that's true. That's true if we trap them. I mean, it's 30 minutes of the New York Open now. And yesterday we also saw big action, like 2 hours after New York Open, I think it was. Just gotta wait, I guess. We just gotta wait again. Man, these New York Opens are so lame this week, it's crazy. I like New York Opens when they are at levels where I want to actually trade. I love New York Opens. It is just moving around the same price, guys. As long as you don't break this previous day very high here, we're just gonna keep ranging. So we can range in between here from the low, from the low to the high. But let's see, if we break this, guys, this is bullish. If we break this here. Oh, those were some sells here. There is some volatility coming in now, guys. At least we have some action. How are we gonna reclaim this now? We hit it again. Can we reclaim it? Looking decent so far, actually. Oh, we have a mess. It's pumping like crazy, guys. What is going on? I was just looking at the CV and it's pumping. Holy moly, I'm waiting with short side now, guys. We gotta be patient here. We're getting close to 6,920 though. My god, guys. We are pumping. 6,920 hit. Not in a trade yet, guys. This is insanely bullish right now. Yeah, I guess relonging the same level as yesterday would have been worth it, guys, for sure. Hit that level now as well. It's also daily naked point of control. Crazy, guys. Guess the session point of control was the high for now, guys. Look at this. 6,920. Went a bit higher to 6,924. But we are below it now. We are actually below it now. No bearish CVD print yet though as well. Gonna give it more time here. But this level was hit to the dollar, guys. I mean, these order flow levels, it's just so crazy. And guess what, guys? It was also the anchored VWAP. Let me show you. It was also this anchored VWAP. At 6,920 was the same area actually. Look at this push here actually. From here it looks even crazier on TradingView. And this was the session point of control, so we could have actually relonged this level. I mean, sadly we didn't go here. Unlucky. Such a weird price action though. Like, what a quick pump that was. quick pump and dump. This was surely news-based. Did anyone trade of you guys? Did anyone take a trade here? I'm still gonna give it more time here. Don't trust this price action yet. Would have been a nice sell though, now, in the obviously. Gonna show it to you here again, guys. It was hit to the dollar basically, this level. Went a bit higher, but yeah, I'm kind of wanna not short right now. Don't wanna short yet. This would have been a limit. We should have had a limit placed there. There was no way to market enter this, or it would have been really difficult. We're at the previous day value high again, guys. So if are we gonna lose this now again? Insane, yeah. Should have placed the limit here, I guess. Kind of still nice to see the levels be respected so crazily. I mean, this is kind of crazy. This was the low. The trade from yesterday was the low again today, basically, and the low of this range. And now we went to the high of this range. We also hit this to the dollar. Would have been a limit order, I guess. Would have been a really clean limit order trade. Sally didn't place it. This is what it is, guys. I'm just gonna give it more time now. But the dump was so quick as well. Do you connect your extras to CME data? What data supplier do you use? I use CME. Yes, I use CME. Connected to extra charts. Unlucky, guys. Unlucky week. But these order levels, guys, are insane. I mean, this would have been the limit entry 6,920, where I would have placed it. So it would have gone a little bit into drawdown, tiny bit into drawdown, but what's the exact high? Wo ist ein long entry lesson drin? I have one at 6,835. No, wait, 6,83775. So kind of far away still now. We got really close to it though, we got so close to it. And this was the exact low. We took this exact trade that from yesterday. So this was the low here that we hit again, as you can see in this session. We traded this yesterday. We were in a trade yesterday, we saw a big pump. We were forced out of the trade because of market close around here already, so this is actually kind of unlucky because it hit 3.2 our orders trade, and now we could have just traded the exact same level again. This was the absolute low, and we could have shorted this. So yeah, we have an absolutely unlucky week, guys. I don't know. I might just go off for a while. Honestly, this is like this week is not mine. Let's just put it like this. We are still green though. We are still green overall, but this is kind of crazy. The trades we got forced out of and now missed a really good trade as well. Actually, 2 trades. We should have really just limit ordered this and probably longed the low of the range just again. Because we had a bullish CVD print after as well. This would have been a nice confirmation. And we would have been in the trade around here. So yeah. It is what it is, guys. Now I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. I still hope we're gonna go lower, but I don't think. Maybe probably not gonna go to that entry anymore. And this is the only order flow level we've left. I mean, it's at 7,043. So the only like next order flow level for a potential short is much higher, guys. Like we have basically no resistance in between here. But this is also why I was cautious with this short, because we can fill this really quickly here, guys. We can fill this absolutely quickly. So I wanted to wait for a long here and just chill in this long from here, but we didn't reach it. So I wanted to actually wait for here. Almost reached it though, but yeah, didn't quite. So we basically retested the low of this session again to the dollar. This was an insane trade. I took this trade. This was an absolute insane trade. Yeah, let's wait, I guess. But here you can see why I like to trade the first reaction as well. I mean, this reaction was insane from this level. Such a quick dump. This is where we touched the level. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take a break, guys, to untilt a little bit here. Probably gonna go, like, not look at the charts for 30 minutes or 1 hour and see what's gonna happen. Like, there's no need to trade now. It's like kind of tilting. We missed 2 really good trades, so there's like no need to wait anymore because the level was already reached. It was touched to the dollar here, so I don't want to get into this anymore anyways because the level was hit already. So the only thing that I want to see is lower. Maybe along this, maybe going along here or from the low range again. But we missed the best setups for today, I think, actually. We actually missed the best setups. Which would have been long from the low of this range. And obviously short here. And guess what, guys? Look at this. It was again... it's kind of crazy. It was again the high of this anchored VWAP as well. This was in confluence with the session point of control as well, with the order flow level. And we hit that wick here to the dollar as well. Yeah, I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna just wait here. Gonna leave this order running the way it is in case we actually dump here. And maybe along from the lows here again if we go lower. We'll see. 6,870 is the session point of control. So that's around here. Actually, quickly gonna mark this out. Yeah, 6,870, okay. We have a... wait. No, it's not a 1 hour level. It's a 30-minute level here, or a 15. What was it? 15? It's not a clean setup, guys. It's really not a clean setup to take this, honestly. If there was a 1 hour level and if it would be the lowest range, then maybe. But I'm gonna wait for lower. I'm actually gonna delete this. And this is the level we traded yesterday here. You can see it on the chart. It was the exact low of today again. So we could have just retraded this. Could have just retraded the same setup, I guess. But yeah, here we got stopped out, guys. Yesterday we would have had an insane trade, but we got stopped out at 10 already here. So we got stopped out of this whole move because the market closed. So that was unlucky, and now we could have just traded the same level again, I guess. Didn't quite manage to hit this entry here. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. This is like, yeah, this is what it is. It's just gonna annoy me now if I force any trade. It's not a good idea to force any trade right now. So I'm just gonna take it slow. Hope you guys can understand. I hope some of you did take a nice trade though, at least. Some of you actually managed to take a really nice trade. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a break. I will be probably back on stream, maybe not. Maybe I'm actually not gonna stream anymore today, we'll see. Take some time off guys, get ready for next week. This has been a really tilting week actually for me. But we're green overall, so we are green overall, that's what counts. But maybe we're gonna find one more trade, who knows? I mean, who knows what's gonna happen? Maybe we're actually gonna still go to this level like yesterday. I'm also going for a walk. See you, have a nice weekend. Yeah, what an unlucky day, guys. One unlucky day. Well, not unlucky. I mean, we didn't lose money, so whatever. But I think here it was worth it to wait for here. This would have been a really nice entry. We just didn't manage to hit it. Could have traded the exact same level as yesterday. I mean, this would have been an insane trade, guys. I don't even want to look at it. Look at this. We would have made... No, let's not look at this, but guys, we would have made... Wait, this is wrong. No, this is from the wrong one. I want to look from here. We actually traded the same level. We would have made 7k. 7k with $200 risk, and our stop loss would have been here. Like, we would have been so far away from getting stopped out. Like, even with the exact same entry as from yesterday. And this would have been the short at 6,920. Would already also be up like 3 to 4k. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. Part of the game, actually. I mean, we were just patient for a really good entry. But really unlucky with this trade, yes. This was really unlucky as well that we got forced out of it. Alright guys, I wish you a nice day. I might come back today, we'll see. Maybe I'm just gonna not trade at all today, we'll see. If I find a good level, I'm gonna trade. This is a good level still. I'm gonna go offline now though, guys. See you in Discord, and thank you for watching. See you in the next stream on Monday.